Let's go check out the vehicle.
Of course, darling.
Hi, my name's Kyle, and the person that you talked to lied to you. This is all a big scam. A lot of you, when you greet a customer that has an appointment that was set up by somebody else, this is the vibe that you put out. If you are putting negativity on appointments that were set by somebody else, you need to tone that down. You are not helping the situation, you are hurting the situation. Maybe you've had some bad experiences and you feel like customers aren't being given the right amount of information and appointments are being set that should not be set. The time to handle that is not when you're in front of the customer. The time to handle that is later in a meeting with the people that are setting up appointments. There is a big difference between, they told you what? We can't do that. Or, I'll be more than happy to check on that for you, and thank you for setting the time aside. You talk to the person in our VIP appointment department. We actually have so many inquiries that we have a special department that sets up appointments for people, that makes sure everybody gets all the information they need before they come down. They set up the reservations, and I actually service the people when they get here. You are better off with tone like that than trying to show that you are superior to the BDC, or that the BDC doesn't know what they are doing. So the next time you have a customer that has an appointment that was set by somebody else, just worry about servicing that customer. Give the person that set the appointment the benefit of the doubt. Take a look at the notes and make sure we do everything we can to exceed this customer's expectations. Drop us a comment, press like, hit subscribe for content daily. If there is a video you have been scouring the internet looking for in regards to training, let us know. We'll make sure we get it shot.